Hello guys, you are welcome back once again to this channel. I love you. Thank you for clicking. Today, with only two powerful ingredients, I'm going to show you one great oil to grow your hair massively. It's a secret ingredients oil that is very good. What do you need? Clove and ginger. Clove and ginger is very good. Ginger is good for your hair. You just cut it this way. You cut it, I've washed it and dry it with a cloth. Okay, you just cut it this way. If you don't want to go through this way, you just scrape. Okay, depends on the way you want it. So you just do it this way. Clove is very good for your hair. In short, clove is for everything. You just take it to your dry blender. You just blend it this way because we don't want water. We don't want to add water to it. Okay, so guys, this will help your hair to grow. It's a secret Indian recipe that they use to grow their hair. People have been doing it. I say, let me try. Since I've been trying ginger on my hair and clove on my hair, I have not regretted it. It's very good. You just place it on the pot this way. So I put red belly leaves because why? I want the scent. Okay, you can decide not to put that. I add coconut oil to it. Okay, so I'm sorry for the noise in the background. So you add coconut, depends on the quantity you want to make. So I make just like 1 month quantity because there is no preservative. Okay, so you just stir it together. I put that red berry leaf for the scent. Okay, I love the scent. You don't need to add that. So you just do it together this way, mix it together this way. This will grow your hair. This will grow your hair massively. You will be shocked the way your damaged hair will start getting back to itself. If you have problem on your skull, is going to take care of it because clove and ginger is very powerful. You will not have dandruff anymore using this. Your hair will never stop growing with just only two ingredients. This is lovely. So I'm done with it. So you just put it this way and take it to your applicator bottle. That is it. This is powerful. This is powerful. This is powerful. You can even take a spoon of it and just put it on your mouth. It will clear away toxic. It will clear away bacteria on your hair too. Thank you so much. God bless you for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe. Help this channel to grow. I love you. Bye.